Got one. Take that, matey.
Degenerate! It's on, chump! Dick!
What? Okay. Oh shit, I dropped it. No! 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 My grenades are all up our shit. No, don't kill me, I gotta grab my grenades. No, please. My grenades. Is that a fucking... Where'd that forklift come from? Okay, a cop just tore my asshole wide open. Fantastic. How did he shoot that fast? Or bulldozer, it's like all black. It's like someone's a modder in here. Wait for me, you son of a bitch. Really? I beeped the horn at you, you dick! You can't see. Yeah, fucking run away, you piece of shit. Yeah, I'm about to smush your ass. I'm about to smush. Bitch. Huh. Oh. God. What did I do? I just kicked the vehicle, you dick. You think you could just shoot me in the face? Okay, yep. So oh! I'm gonna launch off of it. Here we go. Holy shit! Oh god, I'm dead. How am I not dead? Oh my god. This is awesome. Oh yeah, but catch me! Catch me! No, this is so cool. The way the physics work in this game, I guess if... Oh, windmills on a beach? That's just crazy. Oh. Are you crazy? Okay, I got an idea. Why don't you guys get in the bucket and I'll drive into the thing. Okay, I sacrifice you to the windmill gods. Rest in pepperoni. Okay, or be totally unfazed by that. That's fine too, I guess. Holy crap! How much torque does that car have? Instantly regretted my decision. No way that landed on that chimney. Oh my god, really?